a small village. There lived a farmer named Ramesh with his daughter, Maya. Ramesh was a simple man, but his heart was very big. He worked day and night in the fields so that he could give his daughter a good education and improve her life. Maya, like her father, was hardworking and intelligent. She always helped her father in the fields and was a part of his prayers. Maya's dream was to one day make a big name for herself and improve her father's life. But she knew that she did not have many resources. Despite this, she never gave up on her dream. She always excelled in her studies and helped her father in every task. One day, Maya asked her father, "Abba, you work so hard, but still, you don't have much. Will happiness ever come into our lives?" Ramesh smiled and looked into his daughter's eyes and said, "My daughter, happiness is not always found in wealth. What we have is the fruit of our hard work, and that is our true happiness. Your smile, your success, these are the greatest joys of my life." Maya listened to her father's words with her heart and decided to work even harder to fulfill her dreams. A few years later, Maya completed her education and became a teacher at the village school. Her hard work and dedication made her a successful teacher. When she went to school, she always remembered her father's prayers and guidance. However, one day an event occurred in the village that became a test for Maya. A storm hit the village, destroying the crops. Ramesh's fields were also affected by this storm, and all his hard work was ruined. That day, when Ramesh returned home, Maya immediately asked him, "Abba, how are the crops?" Ramesh lowered his head and replied, "Everything is destroyed. But I know that this is part of life, and we must learn to live with it." Maya's heart sank, but she comforted her father. "Abba, we shouldn't lose hope. You have always taught me that even in difficulties, we should not give up hope. We will start again, and this time we will work even harder." Maya decided to help her father, and together they would start afresh. She learned a bit about farming from her school children and started taking better care of the fields with their help. At the same time, Maya started a training program for women in the village so they could learn new agricultural and business methods. Seeing Maya's dedication and determination, the people of the village also came forward to help. Ramesh started working with his daughter in the fields, and together they began to land. Their hard work paid off, and the crops improved. At the same time, a new wave of happiness spread through the village. A few years later, Maya not only improved her father's life, but also led the entire village towards development. Her success became an example for the people of the village. She told her father, "Abba, everything I have learned is the result of your prayers and hard work. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do anything." Ramesh hugged his daughter and said, "My daughter, your success is the greatest reward of my life. You have not only changed your life, but also brought a new light to the village." The villagers began to praise Maya's hard work and determination. Maya established a school that not only provided education, but also included courses for learning skills, so the villagers could become economically stronger. Due to Maya's education and hard work, she quickly became the most important figure in the village. One day, a representative from a city-based educational institution came to the village and invited Maya to teach at a well-known institution in the city. Maya thought for a moment and then said to her father, "Abba, I want to go to the city so I can learn more and also teach other children." Ramesh looked at his daughter lovingly and said, "My daughter, your dream is big, and you have every right to fulfill it. I will always be with you, no matter where you go." Maya decided to go to the city and further her education. She became not only famous in the village, but also in the entire region as a renowned teacher. One day, when Maya returned to the village with her father, the villagers gave her a grand welcome. Ramesh, proud of his daughter's success, said, "My daughter, you have proven what I always knew, that your hard work, determination, and heartfelt efforts never go in vain." Maya spent her most precious moments of life with her father, knowing that her success was not just the result of her hard work, but also the fruit of her father's prayers and love. This is the story of a daughter's hard work and determination who, with the help of her father's prayers and guidance, not only changes her life, but also transforms the entire village's destiny. The message of this story is that with hard work, love, and sacrifice, a person can face any difficulties in life and turn their dreams into reality.